Hydroponics, a method of growing plants without soil, has become a beacon of innovation in the realm of agriculture. As the world grapples with the challenges of food security, urbanization, and climate change, hydroponics offers us a sustainable solution that is both efficient and adaptable. To understand hydroponics fully, one must delve into its principles, benefits, types, and the practicalities of setting up a hydroponic system. At its core, hydroponics is based on the principle that plants require certain nutrients to grow, and these nutrients can be delivered directly to their roots through a nutrient-rich water solution. This method eliminates the need for soil, which can be a limiting factor in many regions. The idea of growing plants without soil is not new. It dates back to ancient civilizations, but it has gained significant traction in recent decades due to advancements in technology and a growing awareness of sustainable practices. One of the most captivating aspects of hydroponics is the efficiency it offers. Traditional soil-based agriculture often requires vast amounts of land, water, and fertilizers. In contrast, hydroponics uses significantly less water, up to 90% less, because the water in a hydroponic system is recirculated. This means that instead of being absorbed into the ground, the water is reused, allowing for a more sustainable approach to farming. Additionally, hydroponics can produce crops in environments unsuitable for traditional agriculture, such as urban areas or regions with poor soil quality. This versatility opens up new opportunities for food production in places where it was once impossible. The benefits of hydroponics extend beyond water conservation. Crops grown hydroponically often mature faster than their soil-grown counterparts. This accelerated growth can be attributed to the direct access plants have to nutrients, which allows them to focus their energy on growth rather than searching for food in the soil. As a result, hydroponic systems can yield multiple harvests in a year, which is particularly appealing in a world where the demand for food continues to rise. There are several types of hydroponic systems, each with its own unique advantages and challenges. The nutrient film technique, NFT, involves a thin film of nutrient solution flowing over the roots of plants, providing them with the necessary nutrients while allowing excess water to drain away. Deep water culture, DWC, is another popular method where plant roots are submerged in a nutrient-rich solution, allowing for maximum oxygen exposure. Ebb and flow systems, also known as flood and drain systems, periodically flood the plant roots with nutrient solution and then drain it away, ensuring that the plants receive both nutrients and oxygen. Aeroponics is another fascinating variation, where plants are suspended in air and misted with a nutrient solution. This method maximizes oxygen exposure and can lead to rapid growth rates. Each system has its own setup requirements, and the choice of which to use often depends on the specific goals of the grower, the types of plants being cultivated, and the available space. Setting up a hydroponic system requires careful planning and consideration. First, one must select the right location. A well-lit area is essential, as plants need sufficient light for photosynthesis. Many growers opt for indoor systems supplemented with grow lights, while others may choose outdoor setups that take advantage of natural sunlight. Regardless of the location, controlling the environment is crucial. Temperature, humidity, and light levels must be monitored and adjusted to create optimal growing conditions. Once the location is determined, the next step is to select the right equipment. This includes choosing a hydroponic system that suits the grower's needs, as well as purchasing pumps, reservoirs, and nutrient solutions. The nutrient solution itself is a critical component, as it provides the essential macro and micronutrients that plants require. These nutrients include nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and trace elements like iron and manganese. The balance of these nutrients can significantly impact plant growth and health. Regular monitoring of the nutrient solution is vital. Hydroponic growers must keep an eye on pH levels, electrical conductivity, EC, and nutrient concentrations to ensure that plants receive the right balance. pH levels should typically be maintained between 5.5 and 6.5, which allows for optimal nutrient uptake. If the pH drifts outside this range, it can lead to nutrient deficiencies or toxicities, stunting plant growth. Pest and disease management in hydroponics also requires a different approach compared to traditional farming. While hydroponics can reduce the risk of soil-borne diseases, it is not immune to pests. Growers must be vigilant, employing integrated pest management strategies that may include beneficial insects, organic pesticides, or physical barriers to protect their crops. The controlled environment of a hydroponic system can also make it easier to manage pests and diseases, as growers can isolate affected plants and implement targeted treatments. As hydroponics continues to evolve, its applications are becoming increasingly diverse. Urban farming initiatives are sprouting up in cities around the globe, allowing residents to grow their own food in small spaces. Schools and community centers are adopting hydroponic systems as educational tools, teaching students about sustainability, biology, and nutrition. Additionally, commercial operations are scaling up, utilizing hydroponics to produce fresh produce year-round, reducing the carbon footprint associated with transporting food over long distances. In conclusion, hydroponics is more than just a method of growing plants. It is a transformative approach to agriculture that addresses some of the most pressing challenges facing our world today. With its ability to conserve water, accelerate growth, and adapt to various environments, hydroponics stands at the forefront of sustainable farming practices. As technology advances and more people recognize the importance of food security and environmental stewardship, hydroponics will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the future of agriculture. Whether one is a hobbyist looking to grow a few herbs at home, or a commercial grower aiming to supply fresh produce to local markets, understanding the principles and practices of hydroponics is essential for harnessing its full potential.